Sunburst Gymnastics. From Oak Ridge North, please welcome Flips. From Frisco, please welcome Kurt Thomas Gymnastics. From San Juan, Texas, Powerhouse San Juan. From Roanoke, U.S. Roll. In Flight B, from Austin, welcome Capital Gymnastics. From Bedford, Empire Gymnastics. From Houston, Stars. Beginning on the beam, in Flight A, please welcome from Georgetown, Kid Sports. From College Station, Power Sports. From Richardson, Precision. From Lancaster, welcome Trevino's Gymnastics. From Humble, Texas, Roland Ballard. In Flight B, from Houston, please welcome Cyprus. From Round Rock, please welcome